Hello, hello friends, it's Danny here of Danny's Dreams. It's Saturday, so that means it's time for Saturday Showcase. I've been pretty busy this week, so let me move some things aside and we will get busy sharing what I created this week. Let's see here. All right. First up, I made a box card. I used a Simon Says stamp die. This is only the second time that I've made one, and I was pretty impressed with it. Still a few things I need to tweak, like I probably should have put the sentiment out here, but I was really pleased. This was for the Crafting Kimmy Saturday Challenge, which was your favorite color and your favorite stamp. The favorite color part was really easy because pink is my favorite color. Favorite stamp, I love all of Crafting Kimmy stamps, but I finally went with the bees, and I made them some pretty cute little pink bees, and they kind of float there, and then it will fold flat to mail. So that was super fun to make a box card. And then I forgot to say, everything is in the description box below as to the links to the blog post or the video if you want more information on any of these. Next, I did another sheet load of cards for the June 2022 sheet load of cards. I did do a video, won't spend a lot of time, but I really like how these turned out. They're really, really pretty. So that was another set of sheet load of cards. If you watched, Crafty Al and I did a live last Friday where we used some of the goodies that we got on our crafty road trip. And I colored this stamp from Tailored Expressions up, and this is the finished card. I did add some little gems. I don't know if you can see them, so it has a little bit of sparkle, and I left the inside blank, but I thought it turned out really, really pretty, and I was really happy with my coloring on it, so that was fun. Next up, I have another video up on this one, so I won't spend a lot of time on this one as well, using up those Tailored Expressions key ingredients kits. This time I used a kit from June 2010, paired it with some My Favorite Things stamps. So You Are Unforgettable, You Make Me Smile. I just love those little birds and the little boots. And then her Sending Sunny Smiles. Super cute. And then I have this fun card using a set from Papery Ink that I got at the Not Too Shabby shop. It's so cute. It's called A Chameleon. Sending you a chameleon little thank yous. Years ago, Crafty Al sent me a birthday card, and it had some little mama elephant characters in these little Polaroid frames, and I just love it. And so that's where I got my inspiration for this card, but I thought it turned out so cute and so fun. Those little flies and the little chameleons, and just cute, cute, cute. Then I have this one, which is Watermelon Ellie from Paper Nest Dolls. When I saw this paper from Not Too Shabby, I knew immediately I wanted to pair her with it, and it worked out so wonderful. I love how it turned out. It's a sketch. On the inside it says thanks a million. Just super duper cute, and they were made to be together. And then last but not least, I have the card. Again, there's a video for this as well. Won't spend a lot of time. That I made for Kendra and my collab, sharing about our crafty challenges. So this is for my challenge. There's a stamp for that for challenge number 40, which is ocean creatures or fish, dots or dinos. I went with dinos. Another cute papery ink set from Not Too Shabby is where I got mine. And also this is a sneak peek at Kendra's card challenge number 7, which debuts on the 1st. This is sketch 15. So that was super fun to be able to share that. Excuse me. So those are my creations for the week. I hope that you enjoyed seeing them all in one place. Again, all the links to blog posts or videos or whatever are down below. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section. And until my next video, which will be today, in a few hours, maybe an hour. Have to think about that. Anyways, there will be another one soon. Stop back by, and I hope you have an amazing day. Thanks for stopping by.